Hi, I'm Kyle Randolph. I'm a technical specialist here at JumpCloud in Boulder. Welcome to our onboarding video series. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about migrating user accounts from Active Directory into JumpCloud. To begin this process, I'll show you exporting your users from Active Directory, followed by importing the users into JumpCloud using our CSV importation tool. And finally, I'll show you the activation process of that newly imported user in JumpCloud. To begin, I have my Active Directory domain controller with a set of users that I will be exporting. In addition, I have the email of one of my users open and available here to show you the end user impact as they activate their account. As one precondition, I have already gone through and downloaded our latest API utility rollup on GitHub linked below. That includes our CSV importation tool. Now, to begin exporting this list of users into a CSV, I'm going to first import the Active Directory module in PowerShell. So, I will open up the PowerShell and import the Active Directory module, followed by executing this short script to export these users into a CSV. And I will select Enter. To verify this is successfully completed, I'll navigate to the Windows Temp folder and find our user list CSV document. So I can see here that I have my new user list, and I can open it up and see my list of users. Now, to clean this up a little bit so that we are able to leverage the JumpCloud CSV Importer tool, I'm going to open up this user list in Sheets, Google Sheets that is. You can also do the same in Excel. Select Import, Upload, and now I can drag this file in. Now, for reference, the cleaning of this information is done and listed here in the link below for reference. You can see that I will be listing it out in accordance with first name, last name, username, email. I won't fill in a UID, GID for this group, and I'll set sudo access for these users as false. We also have some additional fields such as user password, binding the user to a system upon importation, and assigning them to an administrator. In this case, I'll be skipping some of those fields, but they're available here for reference. To begin, I'll clear out these first 5 rows. I already have first name, last name, username, and email. So now we need to note that these users do not have sudo access. And in addition, just to be able to get the CSV formatting correct, I'm going to add a period here, and I'll show you a little bit better reasoning why here momentarily. Now, I will download as a CSV and open it up. So you can see here that I have 2 additional commas indicating that there were 2 further columns to abide with our CSV importation tool. Everything else looks good, so I will now save, and I am ready to import my users into JumpCloud. So, as noted, I've already downloaded the JumpCloud API rollup, which includes the CSV importation tool. So, I will call that, as noted here, which I've extracted onto my desktop. So first I will change to that directory. I've got my CSV importer, and now I need to add in the file path for my CSV. actually the 4th. And as one final piece, we need to clear out that first C colon. Perfect. And now I will continue to add my API key. Which I may find here in JumpCloud. I'm signed in as an administrator. I'll navigate to API settings and copy out my API key. And then I will paste it here into PowerShell and select Enter. And I can see that each of my users has now been added into JumpCloud. As I refresh my page, I'll see these users have been imported. However, we're waiting for each of these respective users to complete the activation process. So let's take a look at what that looks like. For George Harrison, I have his email open here, and you can see that he's now received an email from JumpCloud that he's invited to set up his new JumpCloud account. Further to that, I will select Set Up Account and set a new secure password for George and register. Once I've successfully registered, George is taken to his employee or user portal. And now, when I navigate back to the administrator's console, I can see that George is now in a green or active state, indicating that he is able and ready to be added to systems. If you'd like to learn more about this topic, please navigate to our knowledge base at support.jumpcloud.com. Or if you'd like to speak to a member of our team about our platform, please email us at customersuccess@jumpcloud.com. Otherwise, subscribe below to stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.